Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Just another quick one today. We're just going to make a decal, which is effectively just an image that we are then going to paste onto this map. I'm just going to put it onto the ground because I haven't really got any walls or anything for it, and I haven't really taken anything specific. So with that, we're just going to come into content, and I've just literally just taken a D&D character that I use in one of my D&D games. Just taking the image that I use for that character, and I'm just going to use that. I'm just going to put it on like it's a poster or like it's just an image in the game. The first thing I want to do is first I want to upload the image, much the same way as you upload your materials. You just do exactly the same way. Just pick the image, drag it, and drop it into your content browser. Now from here, I just want to right click, and I'm going to create material. And I'm just going to edit this a little bit so that is m underscore, and then whatever you want to name it. And that gives us our material here. Now we have a texture sample here, which is fine. We only want to do a few things to this to make this work. The first thing I want to do is we want to click on this part here, and we want to change the surface to deferred decal. I'm going to change this to translucent. Then from this A here, we're going to drag this in and put this into opacity. And then we are going to save that. And then we are going to put that out. So we're just going to drag this down, put it here. And from the material, we're going to drag out. And as you can see here, this comes out as an image. And we can rotate, move, and scale however we want. Now that has, so just select that there. Then we get it as big or as little as we want, etc. So very, very nice and simple. Nice easy decal. You can put it onto any surface. These little green lines here represent what surface they're going to cover. So if the object is that big, it's going to basically display on that. Obviously, it doesn't really need to be that big, but it really depends on how big you need it to be. So hopefully you can use that in your designs. Thank you very much for watching and all the best. Take care.